Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗧𝗦. Guys, IELTS online it is. We understand a lot of you are planning to go for teaching degree or migrate to Canada and you need your IELTS score for that. After a huge success with on-campus IELTS classes, we are finally launching our IELTS online course, comprehensive course, which will make sure that you have access to all the resources you know in and out of the exam, and our experts are going to make sure you take a number of mock tests, you get your writing and speaking evaluated a number of times before you actually go and sit for the exam. A lot of students are getting overall 8 more than their desired score. Few of the students are here and we are going to make sure you get your desired score at the earliest. Guys, IELTS exam is a bit different when it comes to your PT exam, so you need to make sure you have proper guidance. You make sure that your writing tasks are properly evaluated and you know what mistakes you're making. Same goes for speaking. You need to make sure you're confident and you know what you have to expect and what you can get on the exam day. If you're looking for IELTS, book your trial class right now. We are going to make sure you get your desired score in your IELTS exam and crack your exam at the earliest. To book a trial class, give us a call, send us a message, and we are going to make sure you get your score. Take a trial class and then decide what you want to do. Thanks guys.